Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Becky from Bags by Becky Mac, and I am happy to announce my very first pattern, the Noble Clutch Wallet. It's named after my granddaughter, who's very special to me, and she picked out this leopard print, and I made two of them out of two different leopard prints. She just loves leopard. It's so exciting to finally be able to make a pattern. I've been sewing bags for several years, and now I want to share this with you. Let's go over some of the parts of it. It has a bar clasp with a nice closure. It's made with vinyl, and you can also use leather. I wouldn't recommend any fray material because, as you can see, it's a fold over. Waterproof canvas is great because you don't have to interface it, because it only has one piece of interfacing. It's a piece of Peltex. That's it. And it gives you a nice sleek look. It curves real nice around here. It has 12 card slots plus a little one on each of the top here, kind of for a little hiding place. It comes with a zipper to hold all your stuff secure. Comes with two cash pockets, really big ones. If you have a slim cell phone, you can fit it in these pockets, okay? But it has to be slim. I tried mine and it's a little thick, so it didn't work. Also, you have your choice of which direction you want to put your card slot panel. With that, because here's the clasp, and to me it was getting in the way when I tried to get in my slip pocket. So I have the clasp down here, and you can put your pocket this way, or with this one, I made it the other way. You can put it here, and this can just pop up and be out of your way. So you have the choice to make it directional that way. I wouldn't recommend directional fabric because, as you can see, it folds. So, you know, a nice bold print or whatever that you want to use on that. So you have your choice of either way you want your pockets to go, with the male clasp up on top or the female clasp. So, and I show you that in the video, okay? It will be on my website to purchase this pattern, and the video link will be in that pattern, the PDF pattern, okay? So you'll have to go to the website of BagsByBeckyMac.com to purchase this pattern, and then it will have all the information in there. So we've got those two, and look how many. You could just go crazy. I'm making them for a craft show I'm having or doing in a couple of weeks. Here's the one that's in the video that's in the pattern. Here's white croc with a nice blue inside and contrasting thread with a white zipper. So there's that one there. It also has a silver bar clasp. This one has a gunmetal bar clasp. Nice bright flowers, pretty pink, and then hot pink. And then this one is the opposite way. It has a black contrasting zipper. Okay, so we've got that one there. I mean, you just, like I said, you can just go nuts, getting very creative. This one here is mauve, and it's a suede, and it fits real nice in here, you know, with the Peltex up in the bar clasp. And again, you open it up, and this one does not have a zipper. As I was making them, it was evolving into it. So this one's plain, no zipper, but it has a slip pocket here and here, and the two little pockets up on top, and it folds this way with the bar clasp. But I mean, look how creative you can get. I used hot pink thread, and then this one I used red thread. It has a silver clasp, and I used black, and with the black zipper, and then the contrasting thread. So I mean, you ladies can have a lot of fun. It's a quick sew. There's only 12 pieces to it. So when you get one done, you could probably, if you really like it, I mean, I still have more sitting out getting ready for the craft show. But so if you want to purchase this pattern, like I said, go to my website at BagsByBeckyMac.com. This one really wants to fight with me. There we go. And you can grab the pattern and see some of the other pictures that I have out there. I want to thank my husband and my daughter and granddaughter for the support, and my friend Kim, who has helped with the the verbiage, the editing. She was really right there for me, and I really appreciate it. I want to show you, this is what it looks like for the cover page. It has 19 pages. It has color photos so you can see each step as we go. And it only has one pattern piece. That's what's really great about this. It has one pattern piece. The rest is rectangles, and you'll find that in my cutting list. So I really hope for your support. Comments and questions, please leave them in the description box below. I will have everything I made that you see here. I'll have that listed where you can purchase it if you like these. I appreciate if you give it a thumbs up, and you know, subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my videos. I thank you, and you have a great day.